Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Ford Expedition and I will show you how to remove and replace the front bumper cover. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. As you can see, my front bumper is cracked at a couple of spots. And there is a couple of pieces missing at the bottom, so it's not worth fixing definitely, so I decided to buy a new bumper. So the new bumper cost me 250 Canadian dollars from my local supplier, and I had my guys paint it, and now I will do the installation. If you're down in the States, I've seen these bumpers go anywhere from 200 to 400 US dollars depending on the place. I know like Amazon, Rock Auto and similar places will have a bit better price. Then again, it's up to you if you want to have it painted professionally, or if you want to paint it yourself, just buy a spray can paints and do it that way. But I will definitely recommend you to have it done professionally. That way you'll make sure that the paint matches as best as possible and that this looks decent. Your other option is trying to find a used bumper on your local salvage or any other salvage actually, because if you're able to find the same exact matching paint coat, that means you don't have any painting involved, and that will be your cheapest option, right? So do some effort, do some digging around, and if you're able to find it, that's good for you. If not, just go with the new one and have it painted. Okay, so to start, first you'll have to remove two 7mm screws on the side of the bumper. So one will be up here and the other one just down here. I hope you can see what I'm doing because it's quite sunny outside. Okay, so these are the screws, and now you want to do the same thing on the other side. Once these are out, you'll have a couple of plastic trim screws underneath the vehicle. Okay, so under the vehicle you will have a couple of plastic black trim screws holding the bumper. You'll see one here and one will be just up here. Now to remove those, you just have to pretty much pop them out, and you can do that using something like this, or a flat screwdriver, or pliers, or whichever you find easiest. If you can't access those screws, you'll have to remove a couple of these black trim screws. One will be here, one just here, and one in the other corner, and that will enable you to remove this cover and get easier access to those two bottom screws. This can be a pain to remove, to be honest, but pretty much they just pop out. And this is how they look once removed, you see? So just pretty much typical trim screw. And now there is no more screws, just bunch of plastic tabs which you have to also pop out from the upper part of the bumper. So I started doing it, so I will show you. Here you have a bunch of these holes in the lower bumper, and then you have this you see, plastic tabs which are inserted in these holes. So you just have to kind of also pop it out, and you have to do that all around the bumper. See, just like I did on this part. Also, if you have hard time removing this, you can try and push those pins out from the inner side. So you can squeeze your hand inside here easily and just push those tabs out through here, you see. That's it. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention, before you completely remove the bumper, make sure to disconnect the fog lights if your Ford Expedition is equipped with fog lights. So to do that, there is like a small clip just here at the bottom which you want to press and then just pull the wires off. Okay, and this is how you can pretty much remove the front bumper from 2010 Ford Expedition. Now, one more thing to mention: if your Expedition is equipped with fog lights, you'll want to remove the fog lights from the old bumper and move them onto the new bumper. Each fog light will be held by 3 11mm nuts, so you just want to remove those nuts. And that's pretty much it. Now you just want to install these fog lights onto your new bumper. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.